I'd like to find somewhere to pull up on the right-hand side.
Oh, the right-hand side.
On the right-hand side of the road.
Oh no, I don't like this.
Just keep talking to people. Keep talking, because we're driving on the wrong side of the road. That's it. And only when the vehicle has actually stopped, it's completely stationary like now, then you can cancel your signal. As long as the wheels are rolling, you're still talking to everyone. Beautiful. All right. Isabel, I'd like you to reverse back approximately 2 car lengths whilst you keep reasonably close to the curb.
God damn it. This is the one I really hope I don't get.
Are you kidding?
I hate this one.
This is like everyone's favourite.
No.
It's just, it's okay to be different.
I'm special.
It's got really dirty back window now. That's lovely, Isabel. Thank you very much. When you're ready, I'd like you to move off.